I have a cold, and this is my go-to. Milk, some turmeric. Turmeric has many anti-inflammatory properties, and some pepper that I've added, crushed fresh pepper. So turmeric is good for cold, pepper is good for your throat. So I'm going to make this lovely mixture and bring it to boil and strain it, and then have a good night's sleep. You can do it too.